Cool, so this is the problem of the stuck flip key. You can see this key won't move even if I press the release button. And the reason, there can be two reasons for this. The one is it can be sand in the joint, and the second reason is it can be the spring pin that's come out of its location. It locates the key into the holder, and it comes out of its location and jams the key. Now you can see there, I've forced it out, and you'll see that the locating spring pin is actually come out of its location and is jammed against the plastic housing. So you need to get yourself a new spring pin, and we need to remove this old one. So we're going to do that now. Okay, that pin is coming through. Just have to get hold of it. Right. So you can see the pin starting to come out. You just need to force it out. That's your pin, bent pin. You can see it's bent there because you've been trying to get it out. So that's the defect. Now your key's free and your flip is working. Again, you can see this one's also a bit sandy, so it needs to be cleaned. Now if you've got this problem, you can clean this now separately in some meths in a glass. If your key is, if your pin is good, you can obviously clean it in glass. You just need more meths, right? So you need a higher volume of meths. So don't worry about the meths. We're going to clean this one anyway, but meths is non-conductive, so it's not going to mess up your electronics. Not for drinking, of course. So I'm going to basically flip this around. See, it's already getting looser. Right. Now ideally you'd use a syringe, and you can squirt meths in here by the joints, and that'll make it actually clean quicker. You can see the mud coming off. It's dry sand. So let's try a bit of syringing it. So I'm just going to hold it half open. I'm going to try and pump the mess through into the mechanism. It's quite, we'll show you later in a minute, but it's quite difficult to get the mechanism apart. When you want to replace the battery, you're going to do that and take that apart, and you can get to the battery, right? That's your battery replacement. To get to this mechanism, you really have to unclip all of these, and it's quite difficult. You can see the little clips there. You've basically got to go around and undo that, but there's, you know, a risk of damaging the electronics, and so we recommend you just wash it out with meths. It's much easier, and it'll be good to go. Okay, so now we're just going to put in the new spring pin, or key clip pin as it's sometimes called. You should have cleaned that out. We've cleaned the receiving location out, and now it's basically a case of putting the pin into that hole there, like that, and you'll need a pair of pliers, and gently force that down. That's it. See that pin's come through. You need to get the right length pin, obviously, and the right diameter pin. They're different for different cars. That's your job done.